What up, everyone? Danger Jelson here. Welcome back to another Texas Massacre video. And today we're playing Danny after you can finally tamper the press route in. Doing ran track, hair, meat, or taekwondo. And you want to go left, hair, meat's right here. Taekwondo is a random perk. And ran track is up here. Alright, let's get into the game. Alright, we're on Nancy's house. And let's do this. They have Cook, Leatherface, and Sissy. Also, I don't know if I already said this, but sorry if I didn't post a video yesterday or on Tuesday because I couldn't access the DLC characters for some reason, but it came back like around midnight. I don't know if I already said that. Probably already did.
This looks familiar.
Alright, I'm gonna just inspect a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna unlock this door over here. Let me get it first, bro.
Thank God it's you.
God damn it.
I can definitely use this.
What? Fine, I'll unlock this door. And you can go up and get killed by Leatherface. I'm just joking. Oh, you don't get killed by Leatherface. He's coming. I want to unlock this door.
I got this.
Alright.
Oh, I recognize this.
Yep, I knew it. Why does it?
That's how that goes.
Alright. Auntie's house. Where is all the knowledge? I think it's up like in the actual house. Would make sense. I'm gonna get this.
Thank God.
I'm just gonna make noise. Fuck it. They do have Sissy, so I gotta be careful of that. And Nancy. Is Leatherface up? He is. Don't make noise. So you can. Oh my god, you're there. Run. Run down here. Alright. Let me go back up. Come on. Can you like not be in this area? Should I tamper the gen? Or is someone's kicking it. Go, Leland, go. Go, Leland, go. Inspect this. Nice, nice, nice. Oh shit. Alright, we gotta run, we gotta run. We might have to run the well. And then I'm not going to, I'm not going to. God damn it. That's fine, that's fine. Shit. Door, why can't I door slam, bro? Alright, watch this, watch this.
Just listen.
Door slam. Oh, we're not, we're not. Hi, Danny. Alright, Leland died, but he kicked off the gen.
Okay.
Where's Cook? Let me get out, let me get out. Really dangerous. Unlock the door. Yeah. It's not good. Thought they had Nancy, but I guess they didn't switch the last second. I don't. Go through here quickly. We're gonna go outside. Watch this, watch this, watch this. God damn it. No! You're joking, right? I wanna jump. Nice and nothing. Oh, come on. Any health? Anything? Bro, I need health. Come on, bro. I need health. Health, health. Constant. Come on. Alright, inspecting this. I gotta be more careful, bro. Cannot. Okay. Okay, cook disconnected. I think that's cook. I'm Am I good? Am I safe? Or I'm safe? I'm safe. Okay, they're safe for that one. I'm just gonna go up this way.
Down. Pay attention.
Did they even turn the gen back on? I don't think they did.
All right.
Whatever, whatever.
I'm good. Okay. That'll do.
Lock this. I really need some health. Should be some. Why is there not health here? Alright, I'm gonna try to find some health here. Alright, there's health there. I think I turned the car battery back on. Alright. I'm gonna inspect this just in case. I have to jump down a well. I'm glad I didn't go down the well to recover. Alright, we got. Still need more knowledge. I got my ability level 2. I forgot to upgrade it, but that's fine. More health. It's always good. Alright. You know, where isn't. Yeah, I really think. That's up here. Good.
What's that?
Is he coming up or not? Okay, he's not. Did you even notice it was unlocked?
This will make a great lockpick.
Alright, I'm gonna unlock this. Unless, like, Sissy's already up here. This is really dangerous. So they call me Danger Delson. Unlock this. Did they cook up a padlock on this? Probably did. Alright, we're out. Anyone behind us? Yep, Cook's got a padlock. No, any security pins. Come on. Alright, first segment down. That one down. I have to get another unlock tool. Life is coming.
Need to break this lock.
Why? Oh shit, he's moving. Alright, to jump. God damn it. That was gonna hit anyways. Alright, we got that unlocked. Alright, I'm gonna try tampering. It's only me and Connie left. Let me get this. I really need some health.
Who would leave this laying around?
Connie jumped. Connie's up there. Alright, I need to inspect all of this. I need as much knowledge as I can. Alright. Hopefully Sissy doesn't come down here. Dude, we're pretty dead. Inspect this.
Damn it. Everywhere I look, they're right.
I really need some health. Alright, we need some more knowledge too. This is like the map where I like barely know everything is. And Mill. Alright. Trust me, Connie. We both have high efficiency, so I think we can do this. I really need some health though. Too bad lift is critical, I didn't. Fuck. You're joking, right? Run. You're lying. Connie, okay, Connie, go through the gap. Connie, go through the gap. Wow. Alright, so I killed. Back. Oh, you're joking. Okay. You can do this. We just gotta get to a safe place. Fuck, he's gonna come over here. I just realized that. No! God damn it.